Hello everyone. You should know that you yourself can solve the most unattended part in your life stuck into you since a very long time. Here is the most effective way to solve everything. In our life, we all have many stages, phases, teachings, learnings that say a lot about us and our way we are, the way we react, the way we feel, the way we think, and also as our character, attitude, personality. And the most important part where we keep the most of our emotions attached is memories, both happy and sad, that serves the major to minor part of each of our lives. Emotions are the softest yet the strongest part that describes the psychological states that are generated subconsciously. So, it's the most important part to understand as it's the base of everything. So now, let's understand this. We all go through different phases in our lives that change the way we act, think, respond, react. But do you realize that each and every event that takes place in your life has a major effect on your emotional and social well-being? Want to know how? Let's get into it. In our life, there are times where we thought that a person becomes a friend without whom we can't imagine our life to be, who will stay forever with us no matter what. But there comes a time where they leave of certain God knows reasons why, or they change. This event, some or the other way, unknowingly shocks us out because we don't expect the thing or see them coming like that, as some people will think they become the backbone of us without realizing at that time. In the present scenario, the reality is that they have changed or gone busy in their life. So now you think, fine, I'll not think about it and I'll move on. Now you get busy in your life that you might don't think about them at once. But the heart already has a place fixed for them. Because some memories were in the past that is still in your heart and will be, and some planning for the future was still pending. Almost the same thing happens when you are in a relationship being in love with your partner. Every time everything is not the same we expected it would be. One person leaves or the relationship ends. Many things changes after that and shakes up a person's reaction like trust is broken or the person gets stuck or never wants to move on or takes up a decision hard to be kept that gets toxic for them. The above two situations are yet can be amended by taking up the charge on your behavior and believing in yourself, loving yourself, and most important by moving on. But what happens of the fear that still persists of losing someone special or you love? This fear can only be amended when you start knowing yourself and prepare yourself to move on in life. Here the universe is challenging you. The universe is giving you up a chance to live your life successfully by attracting the things you actually deserve to have in your life. And for that, first you need to prepare yourself to be stronger than before, as you deserve to be happy. Just believe in the universe and God that you deserve better and face the fear. Allow yourself to be you without limiting yourself. Don't let yourself drown just because of your own expectations or by holding on to someone or somebody's expectations. Life is to be lived fully and happily. Don't waste a moment that is gifted to you by the grace of God. Thank the universe and God for living your own life successfully. Because not everybody gets a chance to live. You are lucky you have a life. Now, what happens when a person close to you dies? Many things left unattended. One feels having much more time to be invested and utilizing the best way with family, friends. The more successful thing had to be done, but in just one moment, it's gone forever. The truth is, one has to die someday. It's not something to be afraid of or fear from, but make sure to live each and every moment with everybody you love the fullest that you never regret of anything. If you have lost someone close and you think you could have done something better, the desires to be fulfilled, or may give something they're proud of having, many more things that you would have done but can't, that you regret every time when you remember them. You need to do this right now in order to free up. Just close your eyes and listen to this. Take a deep, long breathe in and breathe out. Calm your mind completely and visualize the moment when you are with the person standing right in front of you. See it, feel it, talk to them through your mind and say to them everything that you are grateful for they provided you. Say sorry if you have done something wrong that you regret. If you want to see them happy, visualize that complete scene like if you've ever wanted to make them feel proud on you. Visualize the stage with full of audience and receiving an award you dreamt of receiving in front of that person sitting in the audience clapping for you with their wide smile, happy for you and actually being proud on you. Feel everything around you, the sound of their laugh, happiness, claps of the audience for you. Feel the moment with your heart, being the happiest at that moment completely. Live that moment in your visualization. Live as all you ever wanted in front of the person. Say everything you want to at that moment to them, thanking them. Take a picture you ever wanted and be happy at that moment with them. Live it fully and let them go, freely bidding them the last goodbye. If also you regret something wrong or a mistake you have done in past or with them, visualize them with your calm mind and communicate with them all that you have to say from your side that you couldn't say in past, but say it right now through your mind's visualization that you want to regret in front of them and say sorry. Say it out to them with your visualization. See them forgiving you because they love you, and say them that you are realizing that mistake and you will never repeat it with anyone in your life ever again. Say it, feel it, talk everything you want to and free your heart and soul out in front of them into your visualization and yourself completely. Now, gently open your eyes. Fear is the thing, you are stuck in something or somewhere, but once you face it with the proper steps needed, you are stronger than ever before. Visualization is very strong way to lead up to the unattended situation and free up your grudges or something that is binding you or you are afraid of doing in your child age, young age or older age. Whatsoever it is, you need to be strong enough to face it, visualize it, free up from it completely right now. We all know it's not easy to visualize or relive some moments and situation in life you don't want to face it. Nobody does. But you know that it's in you, holding you, binding, and somewhere it's still making you be afraid of or being stuck somewhere. That's the sign you need to free up yourself from it through a positive visualization, as it frees up your soul from everything that's binding you to live freely, giving you a free and happy heart and mind. Trust the process of this visualization and do it with the proper presentation of your feelings, emotions, and most importantly with a calm mind, and you will be amazed by the results it gives you. It really frees up your soul from all the things that you have been holding on somewhere in your heart that you couldn't share to anyone, but you can feel the pain inside. Here is the most dedicated and one and only way to get through the deeper side of your pain and face it at once by expressing all the feelings and emotions through the power of your own visualization. Because it's only way you can bring up a change in your well-being. Now, do you ever thought about why there are many people who need psychological treatment? It's not at all only for a person with mental illness who needs this, or it's not to be hidden or to be shocked on. Rather, it's very helpful study on human mind and behavior, tackled with the help of specialists in the field known as psychologists. You must be thinking, why is it needed to be discussed on this right here? Listen carefully now. There are many events in life between partners, family members, due to wrong people in life, and many more unattended things where you may think it will be passed on with time and will be fine with time. Yes, it's right that time heals everything, but with time you have to be very conscious about the behavior you have, that it doesn't show your true self and you feel something is in the way that you really do, then you really truly need to face that event very bravely and consciously through visualization and speak up about everything you think you have missed out in the past and spill out now in order to release yourself from the chains binding you up since long. You know what? When you are completely free from that fear or pain that you are holding since your past, it may seem quite small or hurtful to you, but it plays a very major role in your mental health, as your brain is so powerful that it creates the universe for you, as you dream and desire for. So, now you know why to keep a check on your mind and clean it up from the past and live the present with your fuller heart and clearer mind. Embrace the time you're having, completely living it to the fullest with yourself and the people you love, with an abundance of self-love and now with self-understanding. Now, with your solace with peace and smile that will surely come on your face after the visualization that gives you the freedom, I'm ending up this video. And if you really find this helpful to you, make sure to drop a comment in the comment section below. Like the video and share with everyone to build awareness on mental health, because sometimes a group of small things forms a huge block in our heart that can only be broken through proper facing the issue to be tackled bravely through this. Remember to take care of yourself and the people around you who might need help. Share it with a smile. If you are new to my channel, subscribe with the bell notification on for the upcoming updates. Believe in yourself. Take care of yourself. Mental health is mandatory. Share to help.